Tonight, there is a new movement to keep a popular swimming spot open. A petition has been circulating around social media fighting to save the offsets. Over the years, 5 on Your Side has told you about drownings at the park in Madison County. Several families have called for the site to permanently close, but for other people, they have nothing but fond memories. 5 on Your Side's Rico Bush tells us about the latest push to keep the site afloat.
I have a blast every time I go.
As Michelle Terry talks to her family in her living room in Kirkwood, they're already planning their next trip to the offsets.
I can't wait. I cannot wait. We already have it planned.
Terry started going to the filled-quarry 3 years ago and has been back nearly every year since.
I love heights. I love cliff jumping, and it's the safest place I know of to do it.
But for some, that place is a painful reminder of the danger they say has existed for long enough.
I want to see the property taken away from the owners.
Back in 2007, Denise Mattingly lost her son at the offsets. Michael Mattingly Jr. was 20 years old when he went to the offsets to enjoy a day with friends, but he never made it back home.
He fell 65 feet, cracked his head open, and slid in and drowned.
The next day, 19-year-old Cole Duffel also drowned after jumping into the water at the offsets.
I've been fighting this for 11 years, and my goal is to get it closed down.
However, Terry is fighting to keep it open. It's why she signed a new petition to save the park. Since Sunday, it has already garnered more than 700 signatures out of its goal of 1,000.
I understand losing a loved one's never easy, but there is a reason why you sign a waiver when you go into the park.
Mattingly and other families have been involved in lawsuits against the offsets. She's also signed a separate petition which called for the park to make safety changes or be shut down for good.
Have lifeguards, have life-saving equipment.
2 different stories, 2 different futures.
I miss him every day. I wonder what he would have been like.
It's fun. It's a lot of fun.
That was Rico Bush reporting. After 9 deaths, the state sued the offsets. In his lawsuit, former Attorney General Josh Hawley called the site a public nuisance that has no life-saving equipment or lifeguards. That suit is ongoing.